Gusto niyo ba ng bakasyon feels pero nasa gitna ng city? Today, dadaling ko kayo dito sa Sonora Garden Residences. Dito yan sa Las Piñas. Tara, silipin natin. This is ready for occupancy. Yes, pwedeng-pwede ka nang lumipat agad. We have spacious 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom units na perfect para sa lifestyle mo. And here's the best part. Meron tayong exclusive partnership with China Bank and BPI. With just a 5% down payment, pwedeng-pwede ka na agad mag-move in. Experience the resort vibe of Sonora Garden today. Ready to see it in person? Send me a message today to book your private tour. This is Karina Rojas from DMCI Homes.